I'm gonna be telling you about what is Kajabi. Now, Kajabi is basically a all-in-one tool for creators who's looking to monetize their growth, right? Or to monetize their famousness. Now, for example, here there is a lot of creator here that's very famous, and they've used this Kajabi services, right? Now, what exactly does Kajabi do? Now, for example, here if I go to products here, you can see there is a lot of things Kajabi can do. Now, for example, you want to monetize your fame by making an online course. Now you can see you can build and launch an online course with the help of Kajabi because some creators might not know where they start off with, and you can get the help of launching an online course with Kajabi. And not just that, you can launch coaching, podcasts, membership, communities, newsletters, and digital downloads. Now a lot of people like Kajabi because you do a one-time subscription. Well, it's not one time, it's monthly, right? You do a monthly subscription, but that's it. That's all the money they're gonna take. Any revenue you get from online courses, coaching, podcasts, memberships, communities, newsletters, and digital downloads, they will not take a cut from. So the money they get from you is pure from the subscription alone. And not just that, they can scale as well. So there's branded mobile app, there's landing pages, email marketing, funnels and automation, no-code web builder, and AI tools. There's also a couple of earn and measure tools here as well, like payments, analytics, and contact CRM. Now, how much does this cost? And what do you need to pay to get all of these? Right now, you can see Kajabi offers a lot of things, right? And the price for it will not be cheap. So for a Kickstarter here, it'll be $71 per month. Basic LP $120 per month. Growth is around $169 per month. And then for Pro, it's a whopping $320 per month. So this is what Kajabi is. If you're interested, just head on over to kajabi.com. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.